motivate sa inyo na ako. Sa mga kapatid dyan, nag-aaral sila lang, mas mag-isip sila. For example, speaking, so wala sa social domain. Tapos, sa practical domain, mag-isip sila in terms of problem solving or mag-analyze sila kung wala lang. Ito mga nag-relate ka ng mga mag-isip sila o solve because ito ang problema. So, pag-mind, posible ka ng mga lalat na dyan ng problema, nga nang kaibigan dyan na dyan kaya, pero pag turuan, isang kamay na ng problema, isang pwedeng na sila ng problema na natin dyan sa ilan, ingan na kalala sa kanang receiver o turuan. So, walang practical domain lang. Focus dyan din is all about practical, ay, focus dyan din is about solving problems. So, na yung mga difficulties na ito, kataw, so, hindi ka nakadyo ka ng mga for example, is na lang bata ka na intellectual disability na kurang sa akong mindset ka pag-isunod siya in terms of academic. Because may mga hindrances na, may mga secondary things na magtuon sila dahil sila makakuha at makakuha because nasa siya intellectual disability ka na. So, pag sakot na na intellectual disability is na pagsagot na ang isang mata na intellectual disability, pag-injure na kadudadod ka o mag-leisure din sila in terms of academics. So, para to, so ang is so, na-file, tapos, tuloy, tapos para to explain na tatawag sa conceptual is social and practical. So, sa ganitong conceptual, again, ang conceptual is ka na magkuhan na siya sa kanang reasoning. Mag-research siya sa kanang reasoning skills teacher or kanang language niya o research siya. So, social domain, ito mga pipangalitukilo. So, ma-identify na natin kung saan itatalisan sa pagkakatukilo. Ma-identify na natin kung dapat siya sa level na high, mag-create receiver or default. So, mag-practical is one of the solving problems. Mag-research siya sa pagkakatukilo. Tapos parang to figure and profile. So now, some of the characteristics of the race with intellectual disability will be referred to by
So next is the characteristics of learners with intellectual disability. So following are characteristics of learners with intellectual disability in terms of cognitive functioning, adaptive behavior, behavioral increases, and challenging behavior, and last is the positive attributes. There is the cognitive functioning. So first is the learning rate. So children with intellectual disability acquire new knowledge at rate below than the typically developing children. So ang bata na intellectual disability, ang pag-learn nila sa bago na knowledge, pag-learn sila ng new knowledge is as opposed to cases na normal na bata. Bago nila. Hindi sila nahigil sila. Next is the numbering. They have the difficulty remembering information, especially those with more severe impairment. Third is the attention. So they typically attend slower and relevant features of a learning task than students without disability. So ang children na may intellectual disability, mas slower nila for example, mag-aas sila i-learning task na slower nila pag-learn cases sa estudyante na normal and sa generalization and measurements. They have difficulty in transferring or generalizing newly learned knowledge and skills settings or situations that differ from conditions for the learned skill. When we say generalization, it's the ability of children na mag-learn ng isang situation to another situation pero similar situation education pero mag-isugal sila pag-transport sa ilang knowledge na na-gain. And next is the motivation. Some students lack interest in learning or participating in problem-solving tasks. So, children with intellectual disability wala sila interest na mag-learn or participate sa mga tasks na ipahibot sila na teacher. Adaptive behavior, self-care and building living skills, direct instruction and environmental supports such as landed crops and simplified routines are important in ensuring limitation in their adaptive areas to less early affected by life. So, if ang children na intellectual disability, direct instruction and environmental support are needed in helping them to develop and to have a quality of life. And next, social relationship. Their poor communication skills, inability to recognize other emotional state and unusual or inappropriate behaviors that result in social isolation. Letter C, behavioral exhibits the challenging behavior. So a student with intellectual disability are more likely to exhibit behavior problems than those without. So ang child na may intellectual disability kay dali sila makakuha ng mga behavioral problems sa normal na bata ay normal na bata ay kaya naman makalala ng mga behavior problems. The next is the positive attitudes. The individuals with intellectual disabilities may display tenacity and creativity in learning and have a good relationship with others and contributing towards others and individual learning. So, assessment of intellectual disabilities. The calculation of IQ score, the IQ score relates mental age, IQ score relates mental age or the mental capacity based on the test score and for the mental age or the October age. So, ang ibalin ng formula sa pagkuha ng IQ score, ang mental age kay nag-base is the score niya ang chronological age kaya mo ang October age. Then, pag-divide, i-times that sa 100. Para lang kung IQ score. For example, if a student mental age is 4 years, then ang ijang that mali October age is 5. So, 4 divided by times 100. So, ang answer is 80. The student's IQ is 80.
Iya, ano ba?
So,
Agree. Yung sa 400 din.
support ko sa mga
Ato.
for example, for example,
toothbrush na lang mga suot. So, kailangan nila support sa parents nila or kailangan sumula sila sa suot para mag-recognize na magkakuha na nila na sila katagos. Parang so, it's a development of surveillance assessment measure. It's a measure of practice, device development, not just maintain evaluating social national advantages. So, ito man sa kind of senior, institutional challenge na for example, ang bata is so, ako sa ng bata is hindi sa communication. So, for example, ang bata ay sa communication like what sa nasulay diabetes or special assigned or so, ang bata is kailangan niya intervention plan or kailangan niya parang sa intervention skills para ang bata is hindi lang niya solution. So, next. So sa achievement assessment measure is examination will be performed mastery of specific examiner such as areas rating mathematics or science. So that is how I identify mga bata ay sana siya ay example ay sa siya nagpa-mix o masa ng English. So, ang bata ay sinis siya sa ako. Ito niya na support or kailangan na mga sulit o kaya namin para sila makakulo sa mathematics. So,